Today we'll be showing you how to unbox and assemble your Bondi. Let's get started. You'll need a pair of scissors or cutters. Next, you need to pull out these 6 plastic brackets. Next, remove the styrofoam here and here. We're gonna cut the zip ties and remove all this protective packaging. Once you have all the packaging off, you'll need to go open the bag on the side here, unzip it, and remove all of the tools and additional parts. So you should have a charger, user manual, tools, fender and fender bolts, front brake rotor and rotor bolts, the front suspension guard with the bolts, the zip tie, stem caps, and the pedals. First, assemble the handlebar. Make sure that the brake lines are on the correct side, the right on the right, the left on the left. Then put the stem cap on top. Make sure the handlebar is upright before you start tightening the screws. Assemble the right brake. Connect the cables. Make sure the colors match and the arrows align. Lift the bike up and take the wheel out. You can let the bike rest inside the box. We're gonna install the brake rotor. Make sure you can see the lettering on the outside. Use Torx wrench to tighten. Remove the red brake clip from the front brake caliper. After you remove this clip, make sure you do not pull the left brake lever until after you install the front tire. Take the bike out of the box and install the front wheel. Tighten the bolts. Next, install the fender. Put the bolts in the holes first. Install the suspension guards. The left one has the cable guard on the top. Secure the cable with the zip tie. Do the same for the right side. Install the pedals. For the left side, you're going to screw counterclockwise. Clockwise for the right side. Make sure the brake lever is pointing down at a comfortable angle, then tighten the bolts. Finally, install the battery. Slide it forward until it clicks in place. Remember to inflate the tires to a maximum of 40 psi. To turn it on, you hold the power button on the left side. You can see the battery life, the speed, and there on the bottom is the 5 modes. You push the up arrow to change modes, 3, 4, and 5. To turn on the headlights, you hold the up arrow. To turn off, you hold the up arrow, turn them off. That's how you unbox and assemble the Bondi. Ride safe.